Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions, Maths as Fun. Today we are going to learn about the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation. Linear equation means that the equation that is in a line wise or in a one answer will come. So first one we can write a one linear equation in one variable, that is ax plus b is equal to 0. That is a linear equation in one variable. This is called the variable. Variable means what? The value that is changes, varies, that is. So in that we can write it like this: ax is equal to minus b or x is equal to minus b by a. This is the solution of a one linear equation in one variable. Suppose that I written here I written that 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So what will be the value of the x? So directly we can write the value of a here. The value of a means what is the written with the x. So with the x it is written the 2. So a value is the 2 and b value is the plus 3. So we can keep in that value x is equal to minus b by a. This is the value of x in that. This is the finding the solution of a linear equation in one variable. So this is called the general form, standard form of linear equation in one variable. But now here we are going to learn the linear equation in two variable. Two variable means we are going to take the two variables here, that is the x, y, a, b, b, c, any one. Two variables we are going to take. So here it can be standard form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. So here x and y are the two variables. In this condition is this, a and b, a, b and c are the real numbers. These are real numbers. And a and b not be the equal to 0. Then a and b cannot be the equal to 0. Yes, c can be equal to 0, but a and b never will be the equal to 0. So this is called the linear equation in two variable. Means the equation in which there are the two variables are written, that is called the linear equation in two variable. So here there are the two equations will come. So here this is one equation. So we are writing a1, b1, c1. Another equation we can write a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. This we can call the first equation. This is called the second equation. Because of two variables, two equations it will make. So we can find the solutions. So what we can write? Suppose that we are taking a one example here for the linear equation in two variable. What are the values of that? Suppose that I written 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. This is also a linear equation. This can be written, that side can be go that side. It can be written like this: 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So value of a is equal to what? Value of a is equal to 2. Value of 2 is equal to, b is equal to what? 3. And value of c is equal to what? Minus 7. If it is written the equation number 1, it is suppose that it is equation number 1. So we are writing a1, b1, c1. In suppose that it is equation number 2. So we are writing a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to minus 7. Whichever the equation number given, if it behalf of this written then we are writing like this: values of a, b and c. Now to finding the solution of the linear equation in two variable. So here two variable, there are the two solutions will be there. Two solutions will be there, one for x and one for y, because we written ax plus b is equal to 0. In that only one variable, only one solution came. But here the two variables are there. Then two answers will come, x and y. The value of x and y it also will come. So in that, to find the values of or the solutions of the linear equation in two variable, there are the two methods are there. One is called the graphical method and one is called the numerical, or that is called the mathematical. So graphical method by the graph, and by the another method that is further divided into three parts. Number one, that is called the substitution method. Substitution method, and second one it is called the elimination method. Number 3 it is called the cross multiplication method. So these are the three methods are there. After that, if the equations are not in the proper way, in that we are telling the reducing method also given in NCERT textbook. So that we are also going to read. So first, what are the if we make the graph, then what answers will come? So we are writing a one equation for that, and we are taking a one example by that. Suppose that I written here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, equation number 1. Then another equation I written a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, equation number 2. If this equation I want to write in the graphical method solving, so it can be like that: a1 by a2 dividing b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. If the what is the values of a1 in equation number 1 and 2? If the equation a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the solution will come the unique solution. What will come? Unique solution will come, means it has a special, that is unique solution. Unique solution, and that solution in the graphical method it will come intersecting line. When the a1 by a2 means equation number 1, in that a1 value of the a1 and a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then solution will come. If we are that mathematical calculations, by that unique solution will come, x and y separately will come and different. And here intersecting lines will come in the graph. In the graph it will come the intersecting line. Suppose that it is a graph, so it will cut like this. So this point, this will be the solution of this one. Anyone in each of that quadrant, first, second, third, fourth quadrant, anyone it can be. Okay, but this will be the solution. This will be the solution. If it is like a solution, then it is called the unique solution, intersecting line. And when it is like that solution, so that the condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Next, if it is becomes the a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to, see this shifting to that c1 by c2, not equal to c1 by c2. Not equal to c1 by c2 means b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This to equal b1 by b2 is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal, but not equal to c1 by c2. Then it is gives the to you a1 no solution. For this type it is comes the no solution in the calculations, and in the graph these lines will come the parallel lines. Parallel lines it will come. Parallel lines will come, that lines will be like this. Because of they never intersect each other, the distance between the two lines will be the equal, and that is no solution of that. If suppose the third case it will become like this, ki R become equal, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Then what will happen? It will shows that all are equal, the lines will be the only same only, so it will come the many solutions. What will come? Many solution, and lines are coincident line. Lines are coincident means one line, another lines also will come. That is that. What we learned? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by 2. It is in the graphical method. It is intersecting line or unique solution will come. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2, then no solution, lines will be the parallel in the graph. In the graph, parallel lines. If all are the equal, first equation and second equation is equals, then it is come the many solution, or line will become the coincident line. Coincidence line means one line is another on same line only. So this is called the solution by the graphical method. Now to find the answers for that another one, what are the values of given, that we are taking a one examples, and we are going to learn the how to find the value of the linear equation two variable by the three methods. Which are that? Number one, substitution method. Substitution method. So in that substitution method, its name only suggests that we are going to substitute a one value to in another one. one value in another equation, we are going to substitute. That is called the substitution method. Suppose that here I have a one equation, a1 by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, equation number 1. In that another equation is that a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, equation number 2. This equation value, any one equation value, we are keeping in this one. Otherwise, second equation value we are keeping into first one. That is called the substitution method. Suppose that I can rewrite it like this: a1x is equal to a1x plus b1y is equal to minus c1. I can write it. Now I can write it like this also: a1x is equal to minus c1 minus b1y. Now behalf of that, here I can write x is equal to minus c1 minus b1y by a1. This value, if I keep into the equation in the second one, behalf of x, in that one, suppose that a2, in that x value what written? X value minus c1 minus b1y by a1 plus b1y is equal to c1, b2y plus c2, okay, plus c2 is equal to 0. Then this is called the substitution method. Substitute. Let's this explore by the one example. Exploring by the one example, how we are going to learn the substitute. First, for that purpose, you have to select a one equation. Select a one equation, whether it is first equation or second equation. Then second, you are going to do you have to choose the one which variable you are going to choose. Which value you are going to substitute in that. Then third one, keep that value in that another equation and solve as the BODMAS method. That let's take a one example and we are going to do the one equation. Suppose that I took here one example, x plus y is equal to 14, equation number 1 it is, and another equation given x minus y is equal to 4 is equation number 2. We are going to learn the substitution method, how to substitute. So first one, choose in that both equation anyone choose. So suppose that we choose the equation number 1 we choose. Let the 1 we choose. Then after choosing one, we have to decide in this both which variable we want to find the value. Suppose that we want to find the value of x, then the value will come the y first. If we choose the variable as the y, then value will come first the x. Suppose that I choose that variable is y, because of I want the first value x have to come. So I can write this one, rewriting of that one. Rewriting what? X is equal to 14. This is plus. This side will go, then it will become the minus y. Okay, this is, you can call this equation number 3. Equation number 3 you can say. Now this equation, this value of the x, we can substitute into equation number 2. So here writing substituting x value into equation number 2. Equation number 2. X value. This is x value on behalf of the third. Otherwise, substituting equation number 3 into equation number 2. That also can be written. Equation number 3 into equation number 2. To behalf of x written. To behalf of x, what we have to write? This value we are going to write. So 14 minus y minus this y is equal to 4. Substituted value. What will come? 14. Same sign are added. Minus y. Same variable, same sign are added. So minus 2y is equal to 4. We can write it like this. Rewriting minus 2y is equal to 4. This plus 14, number one side and the variables one side. So 14y taken went that side, so it will become the minus 14. Minus 2y, it will become the 4 minus 14, means the greater number is in that, if sign notes in the greater number is 14. Sign notes in that. So 14 minus 4 is equal to minus 10. Minus we can cancel because of both sides, is it? So then we can write y is equal to 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is equal to what? 5. So we got y value the 4. Y is equal to, we got the 5. We got 5 y value. Now keeping this y value into equation number 3, we get the x value. Okay, we get the x value. Now what we can write? Keeping or putting y value into equation number into equation number 3 directly, because of any you can keep in this also, you can keep in this also, answer will come, but here we are keeping, then it will be easy for that. So keeping equation number 3, what will become? X is equal to 14 minus y, what is the y value? 5. Y value is 5, so x is equal to what will come? 14 minus 5 is equal to, it will become the 9. So the value of x and the given equation is what? X comma y is equal to what? X value came 9, y value came 5. So that's the solution of this one. Let's, we are taking a one more example from this one. One more example. Then we are taking a another example per se for that word problem or numericals, that is called the numerical verbal problem. So here another one more given here. It is given that s minus t is equal to 3, and another one in equation, this is equation number 1, and another equation is what? S by 3, yes, this is s by 3 plus t by 2 plus t by 2 is equal to, it is given the 6, equation number 2. Again our same method, choose any one equation. Suppose that I choose the equation number 2 this time. We are choosing equation number 2. This time we are choosing equation number 2. What we have to do, this is not in the proper way, so we are writing in that, by taking the LCM of this one, by multiplying the 6 on all sides. Okay, so what will become? This we are going to the LCM taken, so 3 and 2 LCM is 6. So what will become? S by 3 into 2 by 2 plus t by 2 into 3 by 3. Okay, and that is the, this side also by the 6 making in that LCM 6. If not like that, then like that also can be done. Okay, taken the LCM is 6. Here equal to 6 written. This one. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 2 into s, 2s. Plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 into t. So 3t is equal to what? 6 written. Now 6 by 1 we can write by the doing the cross multiplication. So it will become the 2s plus 3t is equal to what? 6 is 36. That same thing it is. Now this we got the equation number 3. Equation number 3. Now suppose that I choose the equation, this equation I am going to choose this time. Okay, to keep the substitution. So choosing equation number 3. In that which variable we are going to choose? Suppose that this time I am choosing the equation of yes as that. So I can do like this, I can rewrite it. 2s is equal to 36 minus 3t. Minus 3t. I can write it, s is equal to 36 minus 3t, and this side is the multiplication, downside it will go, then it will become the division, divide by the 2. This equation number 4 we got. Now again we are writing, substituting this s value into equation number 1. Okay, substituting or putting value of equation number 4 into equation number 1. Into equation number 1. That we are going to write here. So what will come? Yes, behalf of yes we are going to write 36 minus 3t by 2. This is the behalf of yes. This yes minus t is equal to what? 3 is equal to 3. Now again we are taking the LCM of this one, because of this is not in a proper fraction form. So this one I can write by the 2. 36 minus 3t minus 2t is equal to, by multiplying the 2 all sides, 6. Then this is the same, 36 minus 3t minus 2t is equal to minus 5t is equal to what? 6. Now this number we can go, take and go that side. So minus 5t is equal to 6 minus 36. Then it will become that same things. It will become like this, minus 5t is equal to minus 30. Because of 36 minus 6 is equal to minus 30. Minus minus cancel. So t is equal to what we can write? 30 divided by the 5 is equal to what came? 6. So t value we got the 6. Now keeping this t value into equation number 4, easy will happen. So keeping the t value into equation number 4, what will come? S is equal to 36 minus 3t. 3 into t. T what value? 6. Divide by what? divided by the total divided by the 2. So yes is equal, then yes is equal to 36 minus 3 6 are 18 by 2. Yes is equal to 36 minus 18 is equal to 18. 18 by 2 is equal to what? 9. Yes value we got 9. Yes value we got 9. And we got the both values. What values we got? T is equal to 6. Yes is equal to 9. Hence this is the answer. This is called the substitution method of that one. Let's take a one verbal problem. Verbal problem is statement problem from the NCERT textbook of a 10th standard. Now we are going to take a one variable example of that is the verbal example. A fraction become 9 by 11. If 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Let that, what is that asking? That find the fraction. Let the fraction is x first. Let the solution, it will come like this. Let the fraction is what? We are taken as x by y. X by y. Now what is the first condition it is given? If a fraction becomes 9 by 11. If 2 is added to both the numerator. So here we are adding first equation, condition first. Okay, first condition. What telling first condition? X by y, it is a fraction. In that fraction, 2 is added. 2 is added to numerator, 2 is added to the denominator. Added, then it will become what? 9 by 11. 9 by 11. Now we are doing it, solving for first by the cross multiplication method. What we done it? We done 11 into x plus 2 is equal to what? 9 into y plus 2. We can return it rewriting. Then we can write it like this. 11 into x, 11x. Plus 11 into 2, 22 is equal to what? 9 into y, 9y plus 9 into 2, 18. We can write it like this. 11x, this number variable same side doing on the left hand side, 9 plus 9y. If this side will come, then it will become minus 9y is equal to 18. Number will go that side, then it will become minus 22. This can be written 11x minus 9y is equal to 22 minus 11 minus 4. It is equation number 1 hour. It is equation number 1 hour. Now in the second case what telling? What is the condition number 2? Condition number 2. What is the second condition? If 3 is added to the both the numerator and denominator. So what is the fraction? Fraction is x by y. 3 is added on both sides, numerator also, denominator also. It becomes the 5 by 6. It becomes the 5 by 6. Again, it comes in this form in the equal on second one terms are there. We are doing the cross multiplication both sides. We are getting the equation. Here we can write 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. We can write it like this again. 6 into x, 6x plus 6 into 3, 18 is equal to 5 into 3, 5 into y, 5y plus 5 into 3, 15. Now changing the sides. So we can write it like this. 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. 15 minus 18. We can write it like this, rewriting as it is. So rewriting we can do it like this. We can write 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. It is equation number 2. Now we can solve it. This is our one equation. First equation is this. This is our first equation. This we got the second equation. Now same by the substitution method we can choose any equation. Suppose that I choose the in that time second one choosing. Otherwise first one no problem. So this is 6. Second one I choose. Second one choose which variable? Suppose that I choose the variable x. So I can write it like this. 6x is equal to minus 3. This minus 5y will go that side. It will become the plus 5y. Then x is equal to what? We can write 3 plus 5y by 6. This is equation number I got, that is the third equation. Now second one we are writing substituting equation x value or equation number 3 value into equation number 1. or that is which you choose in that note have to keep. Which note choose in that? Second I choose equation number second I choose. I will have to keep the value into equation number 1 only. Not in that second one. If second one I choose, it will become the equals. No values answer will come. So here now we are going to write the second. These values. I can write this one, this value. Now here writing substituting or putting value equation number 3 into equation number 1. So what will come? If I keep this value into it, then what will become? Behalf of x 11 written 11 into written. What is that? Minus 3 plus 5y by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Is equal to minus 4. Now it is can be done like this also. We are multiplying by the 6 total because the denominator is here 6. So here first directly writing minus 11 into minus 3 is equal to minus 33 plus 11 into 5 55y by 6 minus 9y by 1 we can write is equal to minus 4 by 1. We can write no value change. By 1 means no value change. Now we are multiplying it by the 6 all sides, both sides. So here what will come? Same thing will come. Minus 33 plus 55y minus 54y 6 9s are 54 y is equal to 6 4s are 24. Now these are the same values, same variables can be added or subtracted. Okay, so 55 minus 54 is equal to 1. So minus 33 plus y is equal to minus 24. We can write it like this. Y is equal to minus 24 minus 33. If go to the right hand side, it will become the plus 33. Then y is equal to plus 33 minus 24 is equal to 9. What we got the y value? We got the y value is equal to 9. Keeping this y value into equation number 3 or in equation number 1, 2 or 3, anyone, you will get the x value. So skipping, now putting y is equal to 9 into equation number 3. What we getting? We are getting it like this. So here giving directly x is equal to minus 3 plus 5 into 9 by 6 because of minus 3. Here minus 3 written plus written 5 written y behalf of y I written the 9 and by 6 written. Now I can get it, we can write it by solving. X is equal to minus 3 plus 9 5s are 45 by 6. We can write as it is same thing sitting in this way. 45 minus 3 is equal to what? 42. X is equal to 42 by 6 or 42 by 6 is equal to 7. We got x is equal to 7. What we got? X value 7 and what we got? Y value 9. So what is the fraction? We thought let the fraction is x by y. So behalf of x written 7 and y value written the 9. Then the given fraction is 7 by 9. Fraction is 7 by 9. Answer. Okay. Now we learned the one method that is called the substitution method. Next we are going to read the elimination method. Elimination method means elimination means what? Elimination means the deleting the any one variable we delete. That is called the eliminate. Deleting one things. Anything. Suppose that it is written a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Another written a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. In that in both equation, if it is equation number 1, it is equation number equation number 2. In that what have to do? If we delete any, suppose that we make the equal this term. Okay, and we delete it. Deleting it. So that is called the elimination method. What is that? Elimination method it is called. So now let's learn it by the example. What you have to do? You choose first in both equations. Choose one variable that can be equal. By multiplication or by division. You have to make it a variable anyone. Suppose that let the x or y. You have to make it equal first. By what? By the multiplication or by the division. Not by adding or subtracting. No. Not that one. So by multiplication or division. By that only. So we are going to learn by the multiplying only, equal making. Then after making it, if the sign is same, plus minus is there, add it. Okay, different sign in both equations, different sign are there, add it. If the same sign are there, subtract from the equation 1, from the 2, 2 from the 1, like that can be done. Okay, let's take one example, we will learn it. Any one example we are taking, and two examples, after that we will learn it, one separately and another one variable. Verbal proof. So here we have taken one example, suppose that here we are taking the x plus 5. X plus y is equal to 5, equation number 1, and another equation is given that 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. It is equation number 2 given. Now first of all things we have to see which variable we are going to choose. We can choose the x also, we can choose the y also. We are choosing here more the y. Why? Because of here sign are different. So we are going to add. If the different sign we are choosing, we are going to add next. If we are choosing the x value, x1, then we are going to subtract. So that we are choosing here y value. Now here in the equation number 2, value of the y is the 3. In that value is the 1. But we have to make the equal. And equal can be done by the multiplication or by dividing. You can do it. Equation number 2 divide by the 3. So it will change into fraction form. Then you are keeping the values. It will become little rougher time. So here we are multiplying the equation number 1 by the 3. Why? Because of we are going to make the value of y equal. So we are writing 3 into x plus y is equal to 5. You have to multiply by the total equation. Not only the x or y or that c value only. No. Total equation. By multiplying 3. What we got? By multiplying 3, what we got? 3 into x, 3x into plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 3 into 5, 15. Equation number you can give it as 3 also. Now you got the equation number 2 and equation number 3. Okay, now you can write up and down. So here written 3x minus 2x. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. It is equation number 2. Up and down I written. No changes. Now the same sign you are doing the addition. You are doing the adding. So you have drawn the line. You are written by adding. Addition doing, it will be the cancelled. It will be the cancelled already. Why? Because of plus 3y minus 3y is equal to 0. So here 3 plus 2, 5y, 5x is equal to what? 15 plus 4 is equal to 90. Adding that. Then x is equal to what we got? X is equal to about 19 by 5. That's all the value of x. Now keeping this x value into equation number 1, 2, 3, anyone we can keep. So this equation keeping the value of x, putting x value into equation number 1. In 1 we are going to keep it. In 1. So what will become behalf of 1? What we are going to keep? 19 by 5. 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. This only the equation number 1. In that by multiplying by the 5 because the denominator is 5. So we can write 19 plus 5y is equal to 25. Because of denominator 5, so multiplied by 5 all terms. What we can write? We can write 5y is equal to 25. This number will go that side, then it will become the minus 90. Then 5y is equal to 25 minus 19 is equal to what? 6. Is equal to what? 6. Then y is equal to 6 by 5. this we got the two values. What values we got? X is equal to we got the 19 by 5 and y value we got the 6 by 5. So these are the values. X comma y is equal to 19 by 5 comma 6 by 5. These are the answer of this one. This is called the elimination method. Let's take a one example of the verbal problem, and by this method we are doing one verbal problem and by this method. What will be that? Just we are writing down first. So question we are taking from here NCERT textbook. What is that? Suppose that anyone we are taking a one question we are taking. Now question is given 5 years ago. Ago means before. Means today whatever that before the 5 year. Means today is 2022 year this one. So 5 year back what? 2017. Nori was thrice. Thrice means 3 times. As old as Sono. Then 10 year. After that 10 year later. Means after from now 10 words. Means this is the 22. After the 10 year what will become? 32. Nuri will be twice, means double, 2 times, as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Let the Nuri and Sonu is the present age of the Nuri and Sonu is X and Y. Let present age. Solution it is present age of Nuri is X year and Sonu is Y year. That are the this much years they are presently. Now we are doing condition number 1. What is the first condition? 5 years ago. So 5 years ago means suppose that now your age is 16 years. So 5 years back what was your age? You were the 11-year-old. So that we are now it presently is X year. So 5 years back what will become? Condition number 1. X minus 5 year and as soon also y minus 5 year, both are that one. 5 minus done. Thrice as old as Sonu. So this is Sonu. As old as means they are the equal. When? Then the thrice Sonu. If the Sonu is 3 times, if suppose that Nuri is the 1 year, then Sonu will be the how much? Thrice times 3 years. Means if I will multiply this number by the 3, then they both will become the equal. Both will become the equal. Suppose that here Nuri is the 1 year and Sonu is the 3 year. Then if I will multiply it is equal to by 3, so both will become the equals. So like that it is. So I can write it like this: 3 into x, 3x minus 15 is equal to y minus 5. Condition number 1 we are going. So here 3x minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 15. This number will go that side. Then it will become a 3x minus y is equal to 10. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. We got a 1 solidified equation, that is the 3x minus y is equal to 1. Now condition number 2. What in condition number 2? Condition number 2 what? It is condition number 1. Condition number 2 what? 10 year later. Now take x year and that is the y year. 10 year later means this also will be 10 year increase. This also will increase 10 year. Both will be increased 10 year. Nuri will be twice. This will become the doubles and they will become as old as Sonu. So multiplied by the 2, then it will become the equals. So I can write it like this. We can write 2x plus 20 is equal to y plus 10. Now by the transposing 2x minus y is equal to 10 minus 20. We can write it like this: 2x minus y is equal to minus 10. Here we got the equation number 2. Equation number 2 we got. Now solving this equation. So first equation we got that 3x minus y is equal to 10. Second equation we got the 2x minus y is equal to 10. You can solve it by the substitution method also. But we are learning the elimination method. Let's that solve by the elimination method. So we are writing up and down first. 3x minus y is equal to 10. It is equation number 1 we written. Next we can write here 2x minus y is equal to minus 10. Equation number 2. Now you can see one variable is there, that is the equals. Which variable that is? That is y. So y, if we are subtract equation number 2 from 1, otherwise 1 from 2. So what we can do? We are subtracting equation 2 from 1. Okay, here written subtracting equation 2 from 1. What we can do? We can change it. We can change the sign and we kept. So erasing it and writing directly the line down. This number is plus, so it will become the minus. This number is minus, you written the plus. Here is the minus, here written plus. I hope you learned this that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in 8th standard or the lower classes. So here it can be plus and minus, it can be cancelled. What we got? 3x minus 2x is equal to x. Is equal to what? 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. This is not now minus 10, it is plus 10 because of sign is here. So x, who is x? Noori. Noori is x year old now. Present, the age of Noori is x, 20 years. Okay, the age of, now keeping this value into equation number 1, 2, anyone. Okay, keeping the value x is equal to 20 into equation number 2 or 1. So 2 keeping. 2 into 20 into minus y is equal to minus 10. Keeping that x is equal to the value into equation number 2. So 40 minus y is equal to minus 10. Minus y is equal to minus 10. This number will go that side, then it will become minus 40. Then minus y is equal to minus 50. Both side minus cancelled. Y is equal to what? 50 years. So the age of Noori is what? 20 years. 20 years. And age of Sonu is what? 50 years. This is the answer, and we learned the how to solve the linear equation in 2 variable by the elimination method. Now we are going the third method, that is called the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication means what? The method that is got by the crossing each other. First one we kept the substitution. Second we learned the elimination. Third we are going to learn the cross multiplication method. So first of all, cross multiplication method, how to cross multiply. Cross multiply. In that there you know A1, B1, C1 is there. So here we can add A2, B2 and C2 is there. We written here A, B1, B1, C1, A1 and B1. Like that we arrange this. Again we can write here B2, C2, A2, B2. Now cross multiply, how to cross multiply it? Cross multiply means up to down. This we multiply first, this one multiply. Then here we multiply. Then here we multiply. Now 2, 2. So first what we got? X is equal to what we got? B1 C2. B1 C2. Okay. Minus. Ulta will come now. This what will come? This one. From here to here. What we got? B2 C1. B2 C1. This much only we see first. This much. We see. Now, downside what? This we are doing. This is downside. So what will come? A1 B2. A1 B2 minus what will come? A2 B1. This is the x value we got. X is equal to. So what is the x is equal to? X is equal to we got the B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Then same y is equal to what we got? Y is equal to, we are getting this middle number left now. What left? C1 A2. This we left. What we left? C1 A2 minus this number. What is that? C2 A1 by what? These numbers. What is that? A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is the C value. This is the formula cross multiplication of this number. You can write it shortcut also, remembering purpose. Now suppose that I am going to write in a without in that how to remember easily. So x is equal to what? BC minus BC by AB minus AB. This we can remember. Now we can write 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. That's all the formula. A1 B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Remembering Y formula, what will be the Y formula? Y formula is CA minus CA. CA minus CA by AB minus AB. Again writing 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Now cross multiplication also, shortcut method also we can learn how to remember this formula. So x is equal to what? BC minus BC by AB minus AB. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. Y is equal to what? CA minus CA by AB minus AB. What? 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. This is the formula we learned. Now let's apply this formula to find the value of x and y in the two variables. Taking one example from the NCERT textbooks. Let's take one example from the cross multiplication method. Anyone by the cross multiplication we are doing. Okay, let's take the backward example only anyone. X plus 5 y, x plus y is equal to y. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. And another we got the 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is equation number 2. Now we are solving it by the cross multiplication method. So first we are writing the what are the values of that one. So first one a1. This is equation number 1. So means a1. A1 is equal to what? 1. B1 is equal to what? 1. C1 is equal to what? Minus 5. Because of this number will come this side, then it will become the minus. Now A2 is equal to what? 2. B2 is equal to what? Minus 3. C2 is equal to what? Minus 4. This we got the values. Now we are going to find the values of the x and y in the equation. So first we are writing the formula, cross multiplication formula. X is equal to what? Again, BC minus BC by AB minus AB. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. This is the formula of that. Now, these values we are substituting this. So, what will come? X is equal to B1. B1 value is 1. 1 written into C2 value what? C2 value is minus 4. Minus 4. Sign is what? Minus cat, minus cat. B2, the B2 value is minus 3. So minus 3. C1 value what? Minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5. Total whole divided by A1. A1 is 1 into B2. What is the B2? Minus 3. Minus 3. Then minus is there. A2. What is the value of A2? 2. Into B1. B1 value is 1. 1. We are solving it. X is equal to what will come? 1 into 4, 4. But minus 4. Then this one, 5 3s are 15. And minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Minus 15. By 1 into 3, 3. But minus 3. Then minus 2 1 to 1. 2 1s are 2. This one written. Then X is equal to what? This will become minus 19. By, and this one minus 4, minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Minus minus both up and down is cancelled. We got the x value is 19 by 5. You can check it is backside also that same answer came 19 by 5. The value of the x. Now we are going to find the value of the y. Value of the y. So here written y is equal to what? Formula writing y is equal to b CA minus CA by AB minus AB. Now you are writing 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. Then 1 2 2 1 writing. Now you know you are keeping the values of this one ABC. C1 is equal to what? C1 is equal to minus 5. minus 5 into A2. A2 is equal to what? What is the value of A2? 2. Minus then C2 value is what? Minus 4. Minus 4. A1 value what? 1. By already you know A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is equal to minus 5. Already same thing it is. This also, this is the same here also. So we can write directly minus 5. We can write directly minus 5. So here what will become? Y is equal to what become? Solving this 5 2s are 10, minus 10, then plus minus into minus plus 4 by minus 5. Then y is equal to what will become? 10 minus 4 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. What we got y value? Y is equal to 6 by 5. And that time only also we got this one. This is called the substitution method of the linear equation in two variable. Next we are taking one more example. In that we are taking the verbal example. Verbal problem means statements. Now we are writing a one. Taking a verbal problem. Written a fraction become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Let the fraction is x by y. Let fraction is x by y. So condition what? First condition. Condition number 1. Condition, what is the first condition given? First condition given that if 1 we subtract from the numerator, 1 we subtract, so this is the numerator, in that 1 we are subtracting, x minus 1 by y, it become what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now we can write it cross multiplication. So by the cross multiplication, 3 into x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to y. We can write it like this: 3 into x, 3x minus 3 is equal to y. Is equal to y. Now we can write it like this also: 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. We can write it. Now we are going to learn another one, second condition. What is the second condition? Condition number 2. Condition number 2. What is that condition number 2 given? Condition number 2 given, it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So what is the fraction? Fraction is x by y. Added 8 in the denominator, it become what? It become the 1 by 4. Cross multiplication, it will become the 4x is equal to y plus 8. We can write 4x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Equation number 2 we got. Now solving this one by the cross multiplication method. By the cross multiplication method. So we are writing the values of the cross multiplication purpose. So first equation is this one. So we know A1 is equal to what? A1 is equal to 3. B1 is equal to what? Nothing written behalf of in front of the y means 1 minus 1. Then C1 is equal to what? Number what written? Minus 3. A2 what given? A2 given the number 4. B2 what given? B2 number nothing written in front of y means minus 1. Minus sign is there along with sign. Minus 1. Then C2 is equal to what given? Minus 8. Now this value is given to us. Now we are writing the formula of the x and y. Finding the value of x and y. So x is equal to what? X is equal to again BC minus BC by AB minus AB. 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. It is written. We are keeping the values, putting the values. X is equal to what? B1. B1 value what? B1 value is minus 1. Minus 1. Into C2. C2 value is minus 8. Minus 8. Formula minus B2 value what? B2 value